Hello and welcome to How to Use the Time Clock. Thanks to your awesome Old Navy leadership team. So first off, this is your main screen on your time clock. Your username, that is your ID number. Do not know your ID number? Well, you are in luck because there is this wonderful little clipboard right here that has everyone's name and ID number somewhere here. Right there. So if you don't know your ID number, go here, find it, you will soon know it. Okay, back to the time clock. So once you enter your ID number, so we're gonna do mine, for example, here. So my ID number right there. If this is your first time using the time clock, your password is going to be the last 4 digits of your ID number. So for example, the last 4 digits of my number are 0486. So my password would be 0486. In this case, I already have a new password, so I'm just going to type it in. Once you press enter, it will prompt you to set up a new PIN number. Just use any 4-digit PIN number that you will remember because you will have to use that number every time you clock in and clock out. Once you set up your new PIN number, you will go to this screen. This is the main screen of the time clock. The first thing that I need for you to do is go to administration. Once you go to administration, you need to go to email address. So let's click email address. Look, there's my email if y'all want to send me all kinds of cool emails and stuff, brandonlstewart13@gmail.com. Anyways, so put your email address in there. Once you get your email address put in, that is where your schedule will be sent. If you do not type an email address into this box here, you will not get your schedule sent to your email. So please, please, please make sure you put your email there. Common question I get a lot, well, where is the @ sign? So in order to find the @ sign, you have to press shift. As soon as you press shift, there is an @ sign right there. Once you press shift again, the @ sign will go away. So that is how you do that. Once you put your email address in, just press submit and your schedule will be sent to your email. Some other cool things that you can look at, if you press menu, that will take you back to the main menu. Clocking in and clocking out. So when you need to clock in, you just go to clocks and press clock in. If you need to clock out, go to clocks and press clock out. It's a miracle. How awesome is that? So we're gonna go back to our main menu again. If you ever want to change your PIN number, you can go to change PIN and you can update your PIN number. If you go to individual work schedule, that will show you your upcoming schedule. So like you could see what I work this week, next week, that type of thing. It is in military time though, so make sure you understand that. Some other cool things you can do if you go to administration, let's press that one more time. You can go to your daily log. So if you go right here where it says daily log, it is going to show you all of your punches for the current day. So look, you could see I clocked in 9:01, clocked out 1:24, clocked in 2:24. That's to help you keep up with your punches. So if you went to lunch at a weird time, like I did, I went to lunch at 1:24, well, I might not remember exactly the minute that I went to lunch. So if I think it's almost time for me to clock in, I can go to daily log. Oh, I clocked out at 1:24. Well, I can't clock back in until 2:24. That way you don't have to set a timer, you don't have to keep up with it, any of that stuff. Just go to your daily log and it will show you right here. Another cool thing that we can do on the time clock is submit requests off. So if you go to time request off, you might have to bang the screen to make it work, but if we go to time request off, you will see this awesome little screen right here. The time off type, UTO, that stands for unpaid time off. I get lots of requests off that are PTO, which is paid time off, and unfortunately part-time associates do not get paid time off. So always make sure you submit as UTO for unpaid time off. And you'll press right here, start date, and then you just select the date. So whatever days you need off, if it is this week, like you would just select whatever day. If you need off multiple days, for example, let's pretend like I'm gonna be off Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So you'll press the 5th, and then for the end date, we will press the 7th. You can type a nice little comment there to let us know why you need off. You don't have to put a comment, but if it's a day that we really need you, we're gonna come to you, hey, what's going on? Why do you have to be off this day? So it's best for you to just go ahead and put a comment there. So this has been our awesome, wonderful time clock session here. Oh, one more thing. These messages here, you don't have to always check your messages. The most important thing you're going to see in your messages is if you submit a request off, you will get a message back once I approve it. So if I approve your request off, you'll get a message that says your interaction has been approved or your interaction has been rejected. So don't assume that just because you submit a request off, that means you got it off. Always check your messages, see whether or not it was approved. Last thing we can do here, if we go to administration one more time, you can press, where is it, availability. So if we press availability, that shows your days and times that you are available to work. So as you can see here, mine says midnight to midnight, so I'm available all day, every single day. If it's a specific time frame, you could put 12 to 6, 1 to 5, whatever time it is that you are or aren't available. If you're not available at all on a specific day, just leave it blank. So don't type any numbers, just leave that day blank, and we will not be able to schedule you. So, this has been our time clock tutorial. If you have any questions, please reach out to me or to any other leader. And let's see, have a great, wonderful life day, beautiful life. Bye!